Good evening, friends. Today I have received the NoiseFit Evolve Sport. It's a rugged smartwatch launched recently by NoiseFit company. 1 month back, they had just launched the NoiseFit Color Fit Pro 2 watch, and today, after 4 working days, I had received the box. I've already removed it from the box. I'll show you the price which I had got it at after the special discount which I received it, since I had subscribed it. There's a 500 rupees off. The rate being given to me was 5,999, 500 off, 5,499. The MRP shown as 7,999. So I have already opened the box, and let us review the watch. I had set the watch, and I'll quickly guide you what is the difference between the NoiseFit Evolve Sport and the normal NoiseFit Evolve. So let's open the box. You get the user manual and the QR code scanner. In the user manual, you have to scan it through your camera for downloading the NoiseFit Peak app. This is a new app, the NoiseFit Peak app. The earlier one was just the NoiseFit Pro app, which is totally different. This one is supported by Bluetooth 5, and it works on Android as well as iOS, the Apple watches. So since the box was already opened by me, and let us again keep the watch aside. It's quite a premium watch. I have used it for an hour or so now, and this is the charging dock. This is quite different. You can plug it to your normal phone charger through a USB type charger. Let's start the watch and see. Just press it for a few seconds, and since it has already been preset, you could see the number of steps and the heart rate monitor. I'll quickly guide you through the working of this watch. This is a bit different from the NoiseFit Sport 2 watch, where swiping it down shows you the setting. This is the max brightness. You can lower it, again increase it. The brightness is quite good in direct sunlight.